Good everyone, welcome to Peace Enterprises. So we'll talk about your agricultural tires. We have them available. So you can place your order. So this is going to be me. This. Thank you very much, customer, for coming to patronize. So then, customer, with you. Well done. Come forward.
Yeah, run this.
This is 9.34. Tractor tires for agriculture. In case you need any tires for agriculture, you can always remember to give you the best touch so far. Thank you.